Hey everyone, Luke here. So today we're going to be building flashcards using Claude AI. This is a no coding required interaction that you'll be building. Claude will do the heavy lifting for you with the coding. So we're just going to get you into Claude and we're going to make that interaction and deploy it or put it on a website so that your students can use it. First things first, if you haven't downloaded my free guide, you can using the link in this post. It will open up that PDF for you, which you see on the screen here now. And we need to get you into Claude AI. If you haven't gotten an account on Claude AI, no big deal. Just go to page 2 of my guide. It will tell you how to sign up for Claude. All you need to do there to sign up is to click on that Claude AI link. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And when you click on that link, all you need to do is log in, perhaps using your Google account or email. I already have an account, so it's going to simply ask me which account to choose and log me in to my account. Once you've logged into your Claude account, it will look like this. You'll see that chat field ready to go. Okay, everyone, so now we are ready to roll. We are going to get Claude to generate those flashcards. All you have to do is go to page 3 of my free guide, and we are going to copy that prompt in the blue box. I will always put the prompt in the blue box for you so you know where it is. Select all of that prompt, press Control C. Alternatively, you can right click and press copy to copy that text, and then move over into Claude, which you'll see here on the right side of my screen. Press Control V to paste, or right click and go down to paste there to paste that text, and press enter or click that upward facing arrow in Claude. So Claude is going to start to think and to create your code here as it processes that prompt. This will take about a minute or so. We're getting near the end of that code at this moment. Claude has generated all of the code necessary for my flashcard interaction to work. Claude will summarize what it's done for me and then show me a nice little preview of those cards, which you'll see on the far right side of the screen. It's a little bit cut off because of the way I'm sharing my screen, but you can see those cards there. I can flip them. We've got that word for apple in Spanish. At this point, we want to get these flashcards into a website so students can use them. So first things first, I'm going to go up to the top right here and I'm going to click in Claude that copy button. That copy button, like I said, is in the top right corner. When I click copy, I will see an alert in green that says copied to know I've done that. Looking back at my free guide here, we can just go to the next page, which has the deployment instructions on it. Deploying means putting that code into a website where it can be used by your students. All we got to do here is go to sites.google.com. This is presuming you have a Google email account. I will open up that site there in a new window. And now that we're in sites.google.com, and remember to be signed into your Google account when you go to this page, you can now create a blank site by clicking on that plus sign in the top left. Once you've done that, you'll have a website editor open up. I will title this page Flashcards, and then I want to get my code from Claude into this page. So remember, we copied that code from Claude. Let's go over to the right side. Make sure you are in the Insert tab and go down to Embed and click on that Embed button. Once you click on that, you have two options, by URL or embed code, and we will click on embed code and then press Control V to insert that code from Claude. Alternatively, you can right click and go down to paste. And once I've inserted that code, I see a preview just like I did in Claude. We'll click on Insert. We see that our code has been inserted. Our interaction is there. I'll drag out that right side so it fills the whole page there using that circle on the right, and I'll drag down two with that central circle so that all of the interaction is visible. And there we go. So this is nearly done. Last thing to do here is to name our site. I'll just call it Luke's Flashcards for now. And once I've named the site, I'll go over to publish. I'll click on that publish button. It's going to call this site Luke's Flashcards at the domain sites.google.com/view Luke's Flashcards. There it is. I'll click on publish. And once I've clicked publish, my site is basically ready to go. All you need to do to get this to your students is go up to that link button, which is up top here on the right side. Click on that link button, click on copy link, or you can copy that site yourself manually. And once I've copied that link, it's ready to go. I'll show you what it looks like when I copy and paste that link to my site over the current URL. And there it is. There are my flashcards. This is the link I would send to students and they can use it. It's very clean, it looks very professional, and it's ready to go. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to you and that you enjoyed creating those flashcards. Download my free guide to create 2 more interactions using Claude AI, generating that code and then deploying it into a Google site so your students can use it. I hope you enjoy this and can customize those interactions for your teaching needs. See you next time.